Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what is considered one of the best glossy photo papers available on the market for inkjet printing. The CanonInk Glossy Photo Paper in the size of 8.5 by 11 inches, coming in a generous pack of 100 sheets. Whether you are a photography enthusiast or someone who loves printing high-quality photos at home, this paper promises to deliver vibrant, sharp, and clear images without breaking the bank. Now, let's talk about what makes this photo paper stand out. First, the finish is a beautiful glossy coating that enhances the colors of your prints, making every photo pop with vividness. It's designed specifically for inkjet printers, so it pairs well with many of the popular home and office printers you might already own. One of the key features of this paper is its micro-porous coating. This coating works by quickly absorbing the ink deep below the surface, which means your photos dry instantly once printed. No smudging, no waiting around, which is a huge plus if you need fast, quality prints. When it comes to size, the 8.5 by 11 inch sheets are perfect for standard photo prints, making them suitable for albums, scrapbooks, or framing. And with 100 sheets included, you get great value, especially if you print photos regularly or in bulk. The paper weight is balanced to feel sturdy and premium in your hands but still thin enough to feed through printers without causing jams or paper handling issues. The CanonInk Glossy Photo Paper is also known for its economical price point. It offers a cost-effective way to print photos with a professional look, avoiding the high costs typically associated with lab prints. This makes it accessible for hobbyists and professionals alike who want quality results without the premium price tag. Another benefit is the versatility of this paper. It's great for everyday photos and reprints, which means it's not just for special occasions, but can be used for any printing needs you have, whether it's family photos, holiday snapshots, or creative projects. The glossy finish brings a rich depth to colors and sharpness to details, making your printed memories truly stand out. In terms of packaging and product design, the sheets come neatly packed to avoid curling or damage, maintaining their quality right until you're ready to use them. The dimensions and thickness are consistent across all sheets, ensuring reliable performance every time you print. To sum up, the CanonInk Glossy Photo Paper 8.5 by 11 inch pack of 100 sheets offers a superb combination of quality, value, and convenience. It's engineered for inkjet printers to provide instant dry, vibrant, and clear photo prints with a glossy finish that enhances every image. Whether you are printing cherished memories or creative projects, this photo paper delivers lab-quality results right from your home printer. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you want to see more product reviews and insights like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you next time.